Good morning. I am Dr. Kunda Shahane, a fetal medicine consultant at Mayflower Clinic, Nagpur. Today we will discuss regarding the important pregnancy scans. First important pregnancy scan is viability scan, that is to be done 15 days after the confirmation of pregnancy on urine pregnancy test or the missed period. After that, the second important scan is 11 to 14 week scan, that is to be done at around 11 or 12 weeks. With scan, we can send double marker biochemical test for the combined screening, so we can come to know whether the pregnancy is high risk for the chromosomal anomalies or pregnancy is high risk for the early anomaly scan, or whatever the action we can take on this after doing this scan, we can intervene. If things happens like positive for chromosomal things, we can go for chorion villus biopsy at this stage, or many like medical management we can start at 12 weeks early in the pregnancy to have the good prognosis. Or else anything happens like it's a major congenital anomaly, so lethality is to be important. If it is like anencephaly or major problem, then we need to terminate this pregnancy at this gestational age. So this scan is very much important. The next scan after 11 to 14 week scan is anomaly scan, that is to be done from 18 to 20 weeks. And in this scan we screen fetus from top to bottom, including heart and other vitals. If everything is all right, we continue the pregnancy. If anything happens like any major congenital anomaly which is lethal, or anything like any soft marker is positive for the chromosomal abnormality, then we need to confirm it by amniocentesis for the as a definitive test, and we can work on it and take a further decision. Or else if the thing like any congenital anomaly which is not lethal, we can continue the pregnancy. We can have the prognosis of the congenital anomaly and pregnancy. We can work on it and decide whether to continue or not to continue, and counsel the patient, reassure the patient if everything is normal. Fourth important scan after this is the fetal well-being scan or the growth scan. This is to be done around 34 to 36 weeks in the third trimester, where we can know about the circulation status of the fetus, whether the fetus is growing well, Doppler studies are normal, amniotic fluid is alright, position of the fetus, whether it is breech or cephalic. This all information we can get it from this scan, and from this scan we can decide whether to wait till expected date of delivery, or to intervene early before the delivery date, so that we can have a normal healthy fetus, and anything detrimental to keep the fetus in utero till expected date is to be avoided. So these all are the important scans: viability scan, then 11 to 14 week scan, anomaly scan, and the fetal well-being scan. These are to be done in each and every patient to make the pregnancy outcome best. Apart from this, some high risk patients are there. For them we need to see something frequently, so accordingly we decide at what frequency we should do the scans. And also we can do fetal echocardiography at around 18 to 22 weeks to screen the fetus in high risk mothers, like patient is diabetes, previous history of heart disease, or anything else which makes us to make sure that heart is grown well in the fetus. Or else we can find out if any medical problem like arrhythmia or AV block find out in the fetus, we can act accordingly, manage medically, and make the fetal outcome best. Thank you.